Many people are no longer excited by solving an ordinary Rubik's Cube. Let's make it much more interesting. Hey everyone, you are on CUBASTIC channel, and today we will make a sticker mod called Chaos Cube. To do this, we will need a standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube with colored plastic, stickers for 3x3 cube and stickers for 7x7 cube. We don't need a timer right now. Chaos Cube is a 3x3 cube sticker mode. After watching this video, you will be able to create your own unique Chaos Cube. So let's start our DIY. First, we need to scramble a regular 3x3 cube. We need to scramble it well to reduce any blocks. Then we take a degreaser, a small rag, and degrease the cube. After that, wipe the cube with the dry part of the rag, and then proceed to stick in stickers. My cube now looks like this, but your cube will be different, so it will become unique when you finish it. Let's start gluing the stickers. To do that, we're going to need a small knife to tear the stickers off and glue them into place. Now we're going to put 9 stickers of the same color on the scrambled side of the cube. It looks like this. We will take one sticker at a time off and put them on the cube. And then we're going to go to the next side and we're going to glue it, for example, blue and so on. It's going to look like this. Under each color will be a different color of our original cube. So I keep gluing stickers. Try to apply stickers as smoothly as possible, so that each sticker is in the middle of each part. So the cube will look beautiful and aesthetic. As you can see, I have already finished the yellow side. Let's go to the blue. It will be on the white side of the cube. I'm done with the blue side, and now we're gonna move on to the next. But to do that, I'm going to need some other cube to compare the color scheme. If we turn them with blue side like this, the yellow will be on the top and we will have orange on our left. Now I know where I'm going to put the orange side. On the blue details. Let's get started. The orange face is ready. Now, according to logic, we can understand what the next color will be. Opposite blue, we will have green. On the yellow side, I will glue green. Let's start. The green side is also complete. It's just white and red. Next, we will make red on the green side, just opposite orange. The red side is also done. The last side is white. I finished applying 3x3 stickers. Now you can see why this cube is called the Chaos Cube. As you can see, on each side, under each item, there are scrambled details. We can see it on each side. That is, our cube is now scrambled, but with stickers on it. And under them there is a scrambled cube. But that's not all. We need to scramble the cube randomly again. And then put another layer of stickers, but a smaller one, from a 7x7 cube. Now this cube is scrambled and solved at the same time, and we need to add more stickers on it. We start with the orange side. Here we have the yellow, and let's get started. it's going to look like this. We have a little sticker on a big sticker, and underneath it's a piece of the original cube, which is blue here. And so we're going to stick stickers all over the cube. This is what the yellow side looks like. Let's continue in the same way and finish the whole cube. I finished sticking all the stickers. Here you can see a little red, green, white, orange, yellow and dark blue. Now let me explain what we did. We applied small stickers to a variation of a scrambled cube with large stickers, under which there is an ordinary scrambled cube. That's why it's called Chaos Cube, and to make it even more chaotic, we have to scramble it once more. Now it's just a total chaos. Every detail, every variation of this cube is now scrambled. The original cube, a cube of big stickers and a cube of small ones. Now let me tell you why this cube is more interesting than a regular 3x3. You can solve it by both small stickers and large and original cube. And you can see there are small borders in every detail that are still visible. And you can also solve this cube. So guys, let me try to solve these little stickers right now, and then the big stickers, and then the regular cube. And then we will have another interesting challenge. Now I'm taking this cube in my hands and it's time for the inspection. Guys, it became a lot more difficult to understand. Okay, let me start with the white cross. It's going to be tough enough. Now I'm going to solve the cube based on the little stickers. Here we go. Okay, the cross didn't gather, but what is wrong here? Okay, orange and red. The cross is complete. What's next? Corner, looks like I'll be solving it with a beginner method. Okay, here we go. It's so difficult, guys. Okay, 2 layers are solved. Now OLL. Here and here. And minute 52. Let's see if I got everything right. All blue parts, white, orange, green, red and yellow. Yeah, alright. Now let's move on to the next option, how we can solve this cube, based on large stickers. Scramble. It was so hard with the little stickers. I really hope I can get the big stickers together faster, and I can do it in at least a minute. Minute 45. I solved large stickers. All blue are assembled, as you can see. White phase 2, orange, green, yellow and red. And now we go to the main part of the cube. These are the lowest part that are under all the stickers. We'll focus only on them. Let's start scrambling the cube. Okay, here we go. Minute 27. We did it. Okay, let's check. The white side of original Rubik's Cube is fully solved. Blue is complete. Yellow, green, orange and red. Whew, we did it. And now we go to the main challenge. It is the following. When we have the cube itself solved, the variations with the stickers are scrambled, both small stickers and large. Therefore, from this position, we will start to solve the cube focusing only on small stickers. Then, without stopping the timer, on large and then on the basic details of the cube, and then in the opposite direction on large and small stickers. That is, we will have 5 solves without stopping the timer. I will now inspect the cube and begin. Here we go. Okay, I solved the small stickers, all colors match. Let's move on to the big stickers. Okay, large stickers are solved. Yep, and now the main part. It's so hard to navigate. Check, all the basic parts are solved. Okay, yellow, white, orange is ready. Now we start again with big stickers. It's 5 minutes on the timer. How hard it is. Okay, check the large stickers. Orange is there, green, red, blue, yellow and white. And now the last step, small stickers. The orange is complete, the edges are solved. What's left? Okay, check. Orange is ready. Blue, red, white, green, yellow and 7:30. It was an awesome challenge. We solved the cube 5 times without stopping the timer, using the same cube and a large number of stickers for our sticker mode. Oh, if you liked Chaos Cube as well as I do, try and create it yourself, conduct such a challenge and write your results in the comments. Don't forget about likes, subscription and the bell. That was Ihor Sochovatenko on CUBASTIC channel. See you soon on this channel. Bye.